Honourable members, you will further recall that on the 21st November 2023, I directed the clerk to circulate to all members the revised members' rules for the members' restaurant. I now instruct the clerk to publish the rules and instruct alongside the clerk of the Senate and the Director General to ensure they are enforced. I also urge all members to observe the said rules, particularly Rule number 3, seating restrictions, Rule number 4, admissions of visitors, Rule number 5, dress code, Rule number 6, conduct of members, and Rule number 7, conduct of visitors. In conclusion, honourable members, as we embark on the legislative agenda of the National Assembly, for the third session, I urge you all to carry out the sacrosanct duty of being representatives of the people with all dedication. I also wish you success individually as members and collectively as a House as you carry out this noble national duty for the welfare of our people. And I truly wish that from now on we'll have no quorum hitch at the beginning of every session of the House. I thank you. Members at the bar, take your seats. Hold your horses, Senior Counsel. Take your seats, honorable members. Order. Freeze where you are, those who are in the walkway. Order, honorable members. Order. The Honorable Jeho. Is it Jeho? Eh? Odugon. Odugon. I'm sure by now you know when the Speaker is on his feet or her feet, there's no walking around by members. You freeze where you are. Honorable members have a short communication to recognize a visiting delegation from the National Assembly of Zambia. Honorable members, I wish to introduce to you a delegation from the National Assembly of Zambia, comprising of the first Deputy Speaker, the Honorable Chisangano Malungo, MP, the second Deputy Speaker, the Honorable Moyo Moses Frank, MP. Honorable members, the delegation is accompanied by 6 officers of the National Assembly of Zambia, led by the Deputy Clerk, Mr. Stephen Kawimbe. The delegation is in the country on a study visit to benchmark on the mental health practices and policies that the Parliament of Kenya has put in place for members and staff. The delegation seeks to learn ways of addressing systemic challenges and mitigation measures on mental health at the workplace. Honourable members, on my behalf and that of the Assembly, I welcome them to the House of Parliament and wish them fruitful engagements during their stay. I thank you. Yes, Honorable Senior Counsel Otienda Mola.
Thank you,